Hey, well, good early morning to all of you from Russia and Belarus, from Yekaterinburg and also Yekaterinburg from Oblast and the rest of the region of Russia, and Kursk and Moscow and the rest of the west and central Russia. Well, have a good early morning to all of you. Well, let's start the discussion. Well, this product, it's Remington 27 pieces of Easy Fade haircut kit. We have this product. I purchased it. I am really the buyer of this product. For it cost me about 899 Mexican pesos, which is considered about 39.99 United States U.S. dollars, and also with it's about $43 when you buy this clipper. By the way, it has a Mexican official norm and certification. You can find this on YouTube and Pinterest and also Instagram, but I know that all of you Russians don't have access to Facebook at all due to I don't really want to mention anything about the war between Ukraine and Russia. Mentioned from United States. Nope, I don't want to say that. Sorry about saying it, and apologize for it. So it has 11 fade guide combs and also a cape that is included. So including the clipper right over here. We also have so here are the combs, and here's the other ones. Okay, here's guide comb number 1, and here's a fade one over here. Yes, this is guide comb number 2, guide comb number 5, and guide comb number 4. 12 millimeters, 1.5, 2. We also have guide comb number 0 and a fade guide comb as well. We also have guide comb number 3 and the guide comb number 6. Guide comb for fade haircuts. We have more than 4 of them, yes. And also another one, yes. And especially more guide combs that we have here. We do not have some ear taper, guide combs. Let me give you an example. Do you know that these guide combs from this Remington Easy Fade haircut kit, all of you people in Russia, and don't you know that when you buy this hair clipper, this is the Easy Fade haircut kit for all of you Russian people and Belarusian people across Russia and Belarus to know that this product can be used, when you buy this in Russia online. How much money do you spend on this product instead of going to the barbershop? How many of you Russian people go straight to the barbershop, getting yourself a fade haircut? And how many of you don't go straight to the barbershop if you want to purchase the Remington Easy Fade haircut kit? Make sure to all of you Russians can speak to me in English on this comments below. I'm going to leave you the comments, okay? And just to keep in mind, do you like this kind of hair clipper? Because it's really important to make sure that if you like it, you can enjoy it. You can use it for hair cutting stuff. Here's another fade haircut, guide comb. Yes. And here's another one. Yes, a thinner one. Yes. Take a look at these guide combs that were all included. We also have a lot of them. Let's expand them out. Yes. Let's see. This is also another fade guide comb as well. Guide comb number 1. Yes. And more. Let's pop them out of the bag. So, in front of the guide combs, here's the cape and also the neck brush and the cleaning brush and the scissors. I don't have a barber comb included, no. So we have a guide comb for hair cutting stuffs. We have some guide combs and fade combs. And we have a black fade comb for, for a fade haircut. And we have guide comb number 0. Yes. Yay. And we also have, guide combs number 5. Yes. And the guide comb number 2. So let's put them all together. Let me move myself into the furniture because I'm in a big couch, Let me move the pillow. All right. So that's a guide comb. That's a fade comb. That's another one. And here are the rest. This is the cape. Here are the rest of the guide combs. Here's the other one. And here's the rest. And we have also the rest of the combs here. So we have combs for fade and also for fading stuff. Yes. I'm afraid this is not a good, no, I'm sorry. This is not a normal hair clipper for hair cutting stuff. You can get yourself a fade cut because the fade cuts are only for the fade. Yes. Because a lot of people, when you want to get yourself a haircut from a bald fade, yes. It is definitely for a fade, a drop fade, and much more. So these are all recyclable plastic bags that included the combs, by the way. Here's the blade oil, the scissors, and the cleaning brushes here. And we have the warranty, document. We have the instruction manuals. First, they're all both in Spanish. And this is the use and care guide. Yeah, especially a lot of this, yes. When you buy this on United States, it will only comes in English, but not in Spanish. Yes. This is one of the most important things. For all of you people in Russia who speak English, I will leave to you this, half of the instruction manual in English for those who doesn't like to speak Russian at all. And as tourists, and here it is, a good product here. So, and the package that was sealed here is this. This is only what it has. So it's from Mercado Libre. It's not from Walmart.com, United States. So, and here's the clipper. Let me open for you the product here with my finger, just to unrip it up the product here. Unseal the clipper, yes, because it's made from another plastic here. Okay. It's from Mercado Libre, from Mexico. The product is the same product, yes. It has a blade guard, yes. I can pop it off. There we go. Here's the blade guard. Yes. I want to make sure if the blades are all adjusted. Make sure they're not unstraight. Okay, very good. Very nice. Stainless steel blades. The same as the Remington indestructible hair clipper. From Walmart. Yes. Because both of them, they're very small. Yes. They're very similar. And this one has UL listed Underwriters Laboratories. This product, I purchased it back in 2018. This is a 2016 model. I'm afraid it's made with products from 2015 and 2014 is now very old. But the product works. But I can show you the clipper, but I don't want to connect it on the power. No. Maybe sooner I can test it on electric power. Yes. Amazing stuff. Well, that's all I need to show you. I just show you also the rest of the combs here. Just for if you just forgot it. But make sure to please subscribe. And God bless you and have a blissful morning, early morning for all of you people from Russia and Belarus, Ekaterinburg, Yekaterinburg, and Beshankovichi, Belarus, and Minsk, Belarus, whatever I mean to name it very well. And sorry if I don't know to spell the name of the city of Yekaterinburg. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, so please help me out, okay? So, well, have a lovely early morning day and evening night. And enjoy the video. And I'm signing off. Goodbye.